hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make cottage pie. This is an easy cottage pie recipe. It's full of vegetables in a rich ground beef gravy and topped with a layer of smooth and creamy cheese mashed potatoes. So let's get started, guys. You know Mama B doesn't like to waste time. On my stove, I have a skillet, a large skillet going on. I'm gonna let it get a little bit hot. Then I'm gonna add my ground beef. Note, guys, there's no butter in it because I'm using 73% lean and 27% fat ground beef. I'm gonna add chopped onion, garlic, fresh rosemary, dry thyme, then I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna saute this for 5 to 6 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add salt, black pepper, we're gonna add tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, and we're gonna mix everything together. We want this tomato paste to cook, guys. Next, I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of flour, guys. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna pour beef broth. Then I'm gonna let it go to cook all the flour for another 3 minutes. Next, we're gonna peel our potatoes to make mashed potato. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna cut our potatoes in 6, just like so, guys. I have my potatoes in cold water. We're gonna boil them for 20 minutes. Potatoes are ready. I can put the fork through. Now I'm gonna drain the water. Now we're gonna add sour cream, Parmesan cheese, salt, black pepper, and 1 egg yolk. Now I'm gonna mash all this together, just like so, guys. I'm gonna add milk, then I'm gonna continue mashing. Okay, I think our milk looks good. I'm using frozen carrots and peas. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add them. I'll let my ground beef to cool down before I add them because we don't want them to be mushy. Now we're gonna transfer everything to a baking dish. Then using my spatula, I'm gonna spread it evenly. Just want it to be flat. We don't want a soupy cottage pie. Next, we're gonna scoop dollop of mashed potatoes. So our cottage pie now is ready. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of paprika on top to just give it a color. Just like so, guys. Now we're gonna bake this at 450 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. There you have it, guys. Wow. Perfect. Not salty. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our newly uploaded videos. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.